Alright guys, here we are on Google Cloud again. Today we're working with VM instance, okay? Here we have VMs in US, in Europe, and Asia. Here it's our IP in US. There we're gonna reach 10.128.0.3. You can see from here. We have also our variable in Europe, okay? This here. And we have our DNS managed zones, which we created. We created this example.com. Now we're going to create a DNS record set to create a geo.example.com TTL time to live 5 type A, which is the zone, or we call it example. The pulse is a geo. From here we have the US Central 1, US Central 1, our IP, and to Europe Central to our web IP. Okay, great, we did that. Okay, we just created a record time play 5 seconds. The pulse type is geo. All right, now we're going to verify it. How do we verify? gcloud DNS records list zone example, the zone reset. There we go. The output shows that a recorded time to live of 5 is created for geo.example.com, and the data matches our server set up in each region. Note that in the data under geo.example.com, including United States and Europe regions. All right, and now we're going to be testing it. Okay, we're going to SSH Europe client VM. Yes. We are in it. We're going to get in it. There you go. We are on client VM. We're on the client VM. Cool. And we're going to call the geoexample.com. All right. If I call the geoexample.com, sleeping at 6, you see, we're going to call it 10 times. It is a 4 of 10. We're going to call the geoexample.com. There you go. Perfect. That's what we expected. Okay, we don't need to. It basically pinging. It's forwarding to your Europe Central 1. We can do an exit on here, and let's get into US VM. Okay, we're under US client VM, and we are going to create the same geoexample.com. Goes to US Central 1. You remember the what we did, we created the DNS for both. There you go. We can stop it. We came back to our project. Remember, we created, remember this? Record set to geoexample.com, time to live, etc., etc., etc. Now what we're gonna do, let's get into Asia. All right. For the zone, sorry, I need -B. I forgot to copy the -B. No, it's not this. Okay. We're gonna call it through tunnel through IAP. Right. now it's from Asia. We're gonna get in the machine of Asia. Because you have a DNS record from US, from Europe, and we didn't set the geo from Asia. So we are in the VM of Asia. That's pretty cool. And we're gonna call it US. Let's do it with Leslie. Let's call it US Central 1. Since there is no policy for any Asia regions, Cloud DNS will direct client to the nearest server. So from Asia, US Central 1 is closer. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next content.